Now turn up.
What's up, gorgeous people? This is Amber's DIY and other stuff. My name is Amber Meeks. Today's subscription box Saturday, and in this video, I have for you a Kal-Elle Fandom monthly bag. So this is not my regular subscription. This is an additional bag that I purchased off of their website because I am a huge Princess Bride fan. It is hands down one of my favorite movies. I realize anybody who might see it now and watch it probably thinks, why would anyone watch this movie? I think it's hilarious. I love the humor in that movie. I think it's so funny, and I can watch it over and over and over again. And yes, guys, I could actually be an actor in the movie because I know everybody's lines. I'm just saying. So without further ado, let's see what I got in this bag. Okay, guys, so here's my bag. So excited. I can't wait to see what they put in this one. I just love, love, love this movie. So when I open it up, it's got like this here, and we have the card because this was one of their subscription boxes, and I wasn't subscribed to them at the time, so I just must have missed this one. So at any rate, let's get started. So we have the 4x6 art print. So we will go ahead and take it out of the little plastic here, and I will show that to you. As you wish. That is something that the guy, I don't know, he's not a prince, but anyways, it's something that the guy in the movie always said to her. He was like a servant for her. She was a princess, and he would, anything that she would ask for him to do, he would just say, as you wish. So sweet. I love it. Look at that art print, guys. Oh my gosh, it is so beautiful, and it totally matches my hair, which is awesome. Oh my gosh, I love this. Okay, so we're already on a roll. I'm loving it. Okay, let's go ahead and pop this puppy open and see what all is in here. Okay, I don't know where to start. I guess I'll start here. Oh, I was right! Yeah! Okay, so listen. I just did a mystery grab bag from them, and at first when I saw this decal, I said that it was probably from the Pirates of the Caribbean, but then it hit me as I was looking at it. I was like, or it could have been the Princess Bride, and I was 1000% correct. Have you ever considered piracy? So in the movie, he becomes, after he leaves and all this stuff, you guys would have to watch it, but anyways, he becomes the Dread Pirate Roberts. So I guess the Dread Pirate Roberts, you know, that person just changes over, you know, from time to time. Like when that one retires, they do the next one. So he had asked one of the guys in the movie if he had ever considered piracy, because he would make a great Dread Pirate Roberts. Awesome, right? Okay. Oh, this is beautiful. Look at this magnet. Oh my gosh, this is so pretty. This is just making me want to go watch the movie. Probably when I'm done unboxing, guys, I'm totally watching this movie. Oh, how beautiful. So it has Princess Buttercup. And oh my gosh, I can't remember his name. Isn't that terrible? I love this movie. I've seen this movie like so many times, and I cannot think of his name. Wesley! Wesley! So it has Princess Buttercup and Wesley on there. Oh my gosh, I can't believe I forgot his name. What kind of movie fan am I? I can't remember like the main character of the movie. That's terrible. Okay, so this here says, "You mock my pain." Yes! So that is definitely something that was in the movie. You guys are just going to have to watch it to understand why I said it that way. But nonetheless, this is awesome. I love, love, love this pin. So pretty. Love it, love it, love it. Okay, so now we have the next bundle here, which is some of the jewelry. I am so excited. Oh, this is awesome. I love this movie, guys. I love, 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 love this movie. Oh no, I dropped something. Oh, you know I hate when I do that. Okay, we'll get to that in a little minute here. You take this out. Oh my gosh, this is beautiful. This is beautiful. Okay, it's a heart. And it's a heart necklace, obviously, and it says, "As you wish." Oh my gosh, this is beautiful. I so hope you guys are getting this. I know sometimes when I play this back, I notice that you guys aren't getting it, but oh my gosh, this is beautiful. Let me try a little different angle here. I don't know. I hope that you guys are getting that. That is beautiful. This is probably going to be one of my favorite necklaces now. I love this. Oh my gosh, this just like totally made the bag for me. Oh my gosh, that is so pretty. And looks like we have a beautiful bracelet. I can't wait. What does it say? Inconceivable! I love love it. So the little guy in the movie would always say that every time Wesley would like do something that was absolutely insane, he would be like, inconceivable. That is awesome. Okay, I hope that you guys are getting that. I'm not sure if you are or not, but I so hope that you are. This is awesome. Yes! Oh my gosh, you guys, I love this movie. Like, you have no idea. I love, love, love this movie. So this is awesome. Now I have some jewelry to go with one of my favorite movies of all time. Okay, guys, so I dropped something, so you know how I feel about, you know, blank space. So I'm going to go ahead and pick it up, and then I'll be back. Okay, guys, sorry about that, but I dropped the earrings, and they are so super pretty, but they're not long, dangly earrings like I would prefer. They're very pretty, but I don't know if I'll wear these or not. We'll have to see, but I really do like them. They're gorgeous, so I don't know. We'll see how it goes. They're so pretty. All right, so there is one more thing in here. In this thing here, let's see what we got. Not sure what's happening. And it just is the Princess Bride. It is a, like that Lion King one. This is super pretty. So this is going to go good with the Lion King one. I could actually put them side by side on a couch. That would be really pretty because I'm doing like a purple theme in my craft studio. So this is going to go good there. This is absolutely gorgeous. So guys, this is the thing. I love this bag. I love, love, love this bag. Let's go ahead and just take a quick look. Yeah. As You Wish necklace. It's a Kal-Elle exclusive. Inconceivable cuff. It's also a Kal-Elle exclusive. So that was the bracelet. And then the buttercup earrings. Book cover pillowcase. I don't know why they call it book cover. Oh, because that's the cover of the book. Got it. Okay, that is also a Kal-Elle exclusive. The Princess Bride magnet, the Wesley decal. That decal was by Decal Drama, so that's cool. I'll have to see if I can find their stuff and pop it up for you guys. And then the Buttercup pin, which is a subscriber exclusive. And then the 4x6 art print, and the art print is by Megan E. Risk. It is www.meganrisk.com. So if you want to check out some of the other prints that she might have. I love the bag. I think they did a great job with it. But this is the thing. There is one, how do I say it? There's one quote in the movie that Andre the Giant says, and I really wish they would have done something with it. But you guys have to watch the movie to appreciate it because, I mean, they were just like rhyming in the boat as they were, as they were sailing away to to wherever they were going, and like they were like on purpose, like rhyming back and forth. And the head guy, Ficini, he was like, he said, "No more rhyming, I mean it." And Andre was like, Andre the Giant, he's like, "Anybody want a peanut?" It was so great, dude. You have to see the movie to appreciate how funny that was. And I just really wish that they would have done something with that "Anybody want a peanut?" because it's like me and my family is one of our favorite parts in the movie. So I don't know, you guys would have to watch it to appreciate it. Maybe you won't appreciate it and you'll see how geeky I really am, that I love a movie like that because it's definitely a specific kind of humor. I'm just saying. All right, guys, that's all I got for you in this video, and I'll catch you in my next one. Bye! Guys, I am so super stoked for this one. So this one is the Princess Bride, and I had, okay, let's roll. Let's do it. Wow. Okay, guys, so this isn't my regular bag. This is what, wow! I'm not filming. That's it. Not filming. Done. Here's my bag. Now this one's awful light, you know? I was expecting a little, I don't know. What was I expecting? What is there to expect? Try it again. Okay, guys, so here's my bag. Did that like spin around and turn? I don't know. Try it again.